This is Homie Mike at EPG Studios. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you are having a wonderful day as well. I'm sorry the camera keeps unfocusing a lot. But we're here to talk about DKOdies. Again, DKOdies has screwed over Which Review Tech just released a video about him talking about DKOdies and discussing about the recent vendetta with he used a different address. He used different things to not let them know that he was the one ordering the console. Okay. Now, DKOdies, he sent the movie for his concert. A lot went down. So we're going to react to that video, okay? But I just want to say, before we go ahead and react to the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please, thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate you for being here, okay? And we have a lot to talk about, so let's dive right into it.
Hey, you're a horse and you're not well endowed. Why is that? I don't know, but what I do know is I got another product from DKOldies from a secret address.
Is DKOdies a scam? No.
Thank you for blocking me on Twitter, by the way, because I'll definitely use that to get more views on this video. Skip it up and that up. Scentbird is reimagining everything about how people discover, shop for, purchase, and even experience fragrances. Scentbird is a place to begin or deepen your relationship with fragrance. We're just selling these consoles at high prices and people were gobbling them up. Cool, not a problem with that. But when you say they're refurbished, when you're showing videos of these consoles being refurbished, and you are getting the crap that I've shown here, that's a totally different ball field. And for everyone who doesn't get that, you're stupid. So needless to say, when they blocked me on Twitter, I knew if I wanted to get another product from them to try out, I was going to have to go to a secret address. And as you see here, it's from DKOldies. There was a tracking number and stuff down here. I don't care if people see my address. My address is like public knowledge. But the address that I got this sent to, hell no, I don't want them to know where it's going, because then that'll blow up my cover in case something else happens in the future. This will probably be the final video on DKOldies for quite a while, but I don't want to say it's the final video like I did with Tickle Television.
Breastfeed it to you.
Because then something else will happen and then people will say I was a liar. But you can see it's from DKOldies, and you can see I'm a man still with the stuffy nose from COVID. I have a horse here. The horse is not well endowed. Very disappointed. That should be all. Oh man, really? Oh, my favorite, the peanuts. I love the peanuts. I mean, it's good they're using the biodegradable ones. I applaud them for that. Wait, no, they're not. They're only using some of the biodegradable. I can't even say, hey, DKOldies, at least you care about the environment. That would be a lie. And of course, we get the absolute worst. Let me put the box on the floor for now. It'll just be easier to take out each piece one by one. Okay, let's see. Oh, God. It's horrible. It's terrible. It's a third-party crap control. Like, at least there's like decent ones you could find on eBay that you could for the man, how much? $260, and they give that crap. Okay, but remember, if you call them out on this, you're a clickbait neckbeard. Think of what I was called before. Classy, very classy. Joey would be proud. He had nothing to do with it. I'm just kidding. But anyway, here is the neckbeard. Power cord. It's a power cord. There's nothing really to say. AV cord. I'm not expecting them to give component cables or anything like that, so that's fine. That's a non-issue. What I'm also interested in is to see, because maybe this is part of their game. They're sending out the bad ones to YouTubers. The YouTubers are all clenching their pearls like, oh God, these are so terrible. And then it gets people to talk about them, and maybe that's how they think they'll make the money. So sending it to a random address, beyond the fact that DKOldies can't stand me anymore, maybe they'll send out a clean console to a regular customer who they didn't know was me. But hi, it was me. A little bit of a nick there. Now I am hearing the Xbox. The sound is working. Now let Dad hit the big button. No, I am not talking about my nipple. Okay, so we're putting in Halo 2. It is in. You probably heard it through the microphone. Disk drive eject button is blinking. I do feel it spinning up. Your Xbox can't recognize this disc. Make sure it's an Xbox game. Oh no. Oh, come on. This disc is perfectly goddamn clean. Dude, okay. All right. I'm going to use my iPhone to get a really sharp picture of this. All right, so this is just to show so they don't think I'm making it up and have like some family movie. This is Halo 2. This is the disc it could not read. Do you see any scratches on that disc? All right, there's a little bit of one there. It is in very good condition. I don't know about you, but a functioning Xbox should read that, but who am I? All right, so a very clean copy of Halo 2 won't work in here, but who knows? Maybe there's... I haven't used that game in ages. Maybe there's something else wrong. Maybe there's... I'm going to put in Doom 3. Doom 3, let's see. Now, what I'm going to do after this, luckily I have another Xbox on deck. I'm going to hook that one up, my modded one, try these same exact games in there and see if they work in there. You ready for... for some action? I am. All right, so we're popping the disc in now for Doom 3. It is blinking. All right, spinning up. Sounds like it's struggling. Come on. Your Xbox can't recognize this disc. Make sure it's an Xbox game, DVD, movie, or audio CD. Also check to see if the disc is dirty or damaged. It is not. Remove the disc to continue. I hate. All right, so here is the